Hello and welcome, Greg here from Stafford Land Rover, showing you today this fabulous looking and approved use Range Rover Velar P400e, here in a sought after dynamic HSE trim with the exterior painted in Santorin black metallic paint. Plenty to enjoy here with key equipment highlights including these pixel LED headlights with signature daytime running lights, whilst around the side 21-inch alloy wheels in this grey accent will contrast beautifully. In the rear, this slim full LED taillights will give your Velar a distinctive look when travelling at night, and prominent decals and badging all around are available with the addition of a panoramic sunroof. For easy access, there is a power operated liftgate with keyless entry and start, revealing an absolutely cavernous load area that can be further extended thanks to 40-20-40 folding split seats. Inside the cabin, two-tone ebony and light oyster leather upholstery is available, unlocking seating for 3 in the back with a sliding panoramic sunroof above, and in the front there are decorative door and dash insets with upgraded front seats that offer full electric adjustment for maximum comfort. The driver can look forward to operating this leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, which is heated, as well as paddle shifts for a dynamic drive and an interactive driver display. PV Pro connected touchscreen in the center has plenty on offer with twin menus and offers the likes of a heated front windscreen, 2-zone climate control, and even selectable all-wheel drive models. SatNav will also ensure that you'll never get lost, along with FM and DAB radio for your favorite stations, whilst Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are also available, so are the heated front seats that are ideal for the winter months ahead of us. Plenty of other functions available with the car, such as a host of active safety systems to scan the road ahead and help you park, as a rear view camera, complemented by wide-angle lens and fully supported by front and rear sensors. Down below you'll find a wireless induction charger and overhead easy controls to operate the electric sunshade blind and that stunning panoramic sunroof. This has been a presentation of the approved used Range Rover Velar that is now available at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.